Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Uthman Qudus from Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta. I did my high school in Abeokuta Grammar School, Idiaba in Ogun State, and I did my primary education in Benevolent Nursery and Primary School in Ogun State. MashaAllah, I graduated with a B Agric, Alhamdulillah, and I excelled very well in the area of soil science and land management. During my undergraduate program, I have a profound, I've been, Alhamdulillah, during my undergraduate program, I specialized in soil physics and conservation, and in other areas also I was thoroughly deep in area of soil pedology, chemistry, and fertility. And I have a good background knowledge in mathematics and further mathematics. MashaAllah, I excelled well during my high schools, and I have not hoped for to be a soil science department, but MashaAllah, I have been destined to be there, and I have seen the undermine department, undermine aspect of knowledge that has not been given enough attention to, and I will try much as possible best to try and define my own role in this aspect of knowledge. Alhamdulillah, Tabarakallah. In this aspect of knowledge, I have excelled well, making a first class of degree, and I'm ranked among the top ones. MashaAllah, I was ranked among the top 1% students among my class. And in the area of soil physics, I did very well, MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. And it talks about the application of physics to soil as a natural body. It studies the energy transfer and the energy and heat transfer in the soil. And the area of soil chemistry, it studies the chemical reactions that occurs in the soil. And when we talk about the soil fertility and soil biology, it talks about how we make your soil available to the growing plant all the time. So I can take courses on soil physics and conservation, soil biology, and soil chemistry, and soil pedology. I'll be making a reference to soil all the time when I talk of this aspect of what soil science and land management. During my program, I did my industrial training in a farm outside my university. And we planted edible crops, vegetable crops, and we also did some plantation crop farming. I also served in Lautech, Ladoke Akitola University of Technology in the Department of Agricultural Extension and Rural Development. I've been I served, mashallah, I served meritoriously, and it is in that Faculty of Agriculture. It is in the Faculty of Agriculture I met Dr. Rauf, who now introduced me to Islamic Online University, and I've been found, mashallah, I've been found very resourceful in the area of agronomy and soil. Before I commence, I would like to introduce you to some courses I can take. I can take some courses in the area of soil biology and microbiology. I can take the area of soil physics, pedology and micromorphology, and I can take courses like soil introductions to soil science in general. So, to end my introduction, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I will be moving on to introduction and definition of soil. Soil as a component of ecosystem. We have three components of ecosystem: air, water, and soil. In this soil, the two other components of ecosystem interact. They are embedded in soil. So in order to meet all of the various challenges we faced in this century, this 21st century, we need to have a fundamental knowledge of what soil science. It is one of the way out of all the challenges we faced in this 21st century. And all the principles of biology, chemistry, and physics have been applied to soil. So understanding these principles enable us to minimize the loss of soil's quality and the destruction of our important natural resources. Much of our life activities, such as building of houses, roads, septic and sewage disposal system, airports, parks, farms, forests, schools, and shopping centers, name it, are carried out on soil. So it is essential that conservation professionals understand the soils on which we build, design, and work. So in any field of natural resources, it is important to understand the soil properties, which impact the application of technology as we use it to preserve and protect our most basic natural resources, which is our soil. On soil definitions, we have different soil definitions. It depends on what we use our soil for, determines the way we define it, the way we see soil, the way what the benefits we derive from soil determines the way we define our soil. A geological definition will say a soil is a loose surface of the earth as distinguished from what? The solid bedrock. A geological definition will only define soil so in a way to differentiate it from a solid bedrock. This is what I mean by a solid bedrock. We see that this bedrock are what? Are consolidated. While a traditional definition will say anything that nourishes, any materials that nourish and support growing plants. It may be rock, water, snow, or even air that are capable of supporting plant life. We say that that's a what? That's a soil. you will see that this definition is just like a definition that was derived from the history of agriculture. And when you dig our hand into the soil and we try to observe the soil physically, you will see that it contains some components, which are what? The mineral matter, the organic matter, the water and air. So mere physical observation of soil, we will define soil as a component of what? Mineral matter, organic matter, water and air. As a portion of a landscape, a lot an horticultural landscaper will say no, all those previous definitions are not applied to us. We see soil as a collection of what? Natural bodies occupying a hard surface that supports plants, that have properties due to integrated effect of what? Climate, living matter acting upon parent material as conditioned by relief and over periods of time. We will see that this definition, it outlines some factors of soil formation, which is now buttressing or making an emphasis on the importance of relief and the formation of what? Soil. You will see the kind of relief we have here. This is a very used landscape area showing that soil will form is for soil to be formed, it is conditioned by what? The relief. On the basis of soil structure, origin and behavior, natural body comprised of solid minerals, liquid and gases. Not only even solid minerals, we have what? Organic matter also. And they occurred on the land surface, occupies space and is characterized by one or both of the following horizon or layers that are distinguishable from the initial material as a result of additions, losses, transfers and transformation of energy. And matter or the ability to support rooted plants in a natural environment. This is a vertical cut through section of a soil showing their layers. At this upper layer, we see some plants partially decomposed and undecomposed plants later. When you go down, you see the decomposed plants later, like you see the humus. When you move down, you see another layer. You see the color of the second layer is different from the first layer. When you go down, you see a transition boundary. You see that the color of the transition boundary is also even different. When you go down, you will see another color. When you go down, you see another color. You also go down, you see another color. This color differentiates different layers and horizons and with different transitional boundaries and colors. And when you see here, you see some when you see some road marks, there's some stones and some rocks, some parent materials, but they are like stones, consolidated materials in section or in like stones and rocky stones. To end it, I will reference you with some, you can go to some reference of, through this reference you get some materials that better explain what I'm explaining. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.